Welcome to Project S.H.A.R.I.N.G.A.N. It is a complete work in progress for that acronym. Now, this is not a completed project. I don't want to get your hopes up. This is very much a work in progress. So let's look at the scope. Once again, not completed yet. I got a big idea. Big idea. I want to copy the actions of other people. And then I also want to systematize it so that way I can replicate it and it happens the same way every single time. So first we have the video. I'm going to take a video of somebody doing something, and then copy their actions. This is how. I'm going to send it through a pose recognition software called Blaze Pose, and then I'll store some data off of that. But to copy it, I'm going to normalize the data. This is so I can send it through my two other algorithms. First we have my prediction algorithm. And this is also going to help feed into my encoding algorithm, although not currently in the first steps. But the encoding is just going to make it so it's really easy for me to understand what's going on and replicate it. I've got a couple ideas of how to encode information, and I'm not sure which is going to work. I'm also going to need a foundation, a body, and a mind. So I'm going to work on those as part of Project S.H.A.R.I.N.G.A.N. Here's my plan. If I'm going to make it right, I'll need to make it easy. And the easiest way is to get better. So I'm going to take some small steps. What are those steps going to look like? Well, currently what I have is my mind and my body, and I can easily get a video. I just have to actually create the rest of it, which is going to be difficult. The first step is going to be me making a simple ball trajectory prediction algorithm using a video of me throwing a tennis ball and predicting where it's going to go, ideally on the previous few frames. And that's either going to be February 28th or 29th. Then, the next month, I'm going to memorize a deck of cards. This is because in case I need to memorize a whole set of instructions, I'm going to be prepared. And then I'm going to train my body. 428, I can jump off walls. I imagined Tai Lung from Kung Fu Panda escaping the prison. This is what I imagined for this exact step. Then I'm going to draw videos of my output. This way I can easily understand. And I'm going to do it differently than what I've tried in the past. I'm going to try exporting the values as a file and then using those values in OpenCV and drawing something on top of a video. Then I'm going to memorize all the bones and some muscles. This is really going to prepare me for understanding the human body and what is possible. Then I'm going to make a fun game. It's going to be accurate yoga poses or something like that, but it's going to be like Just Dance, where there's a timing and an accuracy component to it. Then third step was where it gets fun for me. I'm going to make a tennis ball turret, and I'm really going to try to predict my movements with this tennis ball turret so I can work on my reflexes and, just try to dodge it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I really hope that I get to this point. Now, the S.H.A.R.I.N.G.A.N is 1028. That's when I hope to be able to at least get this first systematized step. But 928, that's still a question mark. I really didn't think of anything that I wanted to improve besides maybe just getting stronger, having better memory. Nothing really concrete there. Now, this is for my channel as well. I'm going to focus more on quantity, and my quality will suffer. I don't really care about being a videographer as much as I care about doing things that are progressing, doing cool things, and I'm okay with videos looking horrible if I get better. Not every video will focus on Project S.H.A.R.I.N.G.A.N. There's still going to be a lot of videos where I'm doing my personal projects and just trying to get better at them. And I don't want to disappoint. Yeah, I'm trying to make Project S.H.A.R.I.N.G.A.N. a real thing. But if I don't, and you want to make it your own way, I think you should. But if you want to follow me, that's good. But if not, this may be where we part ways. And thank you for watching.